Hello everyone, how are you all? This is your host Devottam and you are listening to Better You, Better Life, a self-improvement plan SIP podcast season 1. This episode is in continuation with my initiative of a 17 episode podcast series on sustainable development goals, which is an initiative taken on this important occasion of COP28, that is a climate change conference that is happening in Dubai, UAE, where all the representatives from all the nations in the planet have gathered together under a one roof to discuss on how to tackle climate change and related challenges. Continuing with our episode on sustainable goals, in this episode we will be discussing about sustainable development goal number 7, that is affordable and clean energy. Before starting today's episode, I would like to make a humble request. In case you have missed any of my previous episodes on sustainable development goals, I have tried to speak out in a very entertaining way in the form of hypothetical stories and situations, and try to give out the message that what we can do at our individual level. You can check out my other episodes on sustainable development goals and stay updated. Coming with today's episode, today we will try to discuss on what we can do at our individual level in order to make sure that the energy which we are harnessing from the atmosphere or from our surroundings is affordable and clean. Before that, you got to ask yourself some important questions. For example, have you ever seen someone studying in street lights just because their family or their employer cannot afford to have access to electricity? Or have you experienced power shortages for those people who are residing in cities or urban areas, especially in summers when demand for grid distribution or electricity remains high? You must have seen lots of load shedding in cities for 10 hours, 12 hours every day. I have been in cities and I have experienced so much, and I tell you, it is nothing less than a suffering in hell. Also, have you seen people living in villages where electricity is yet to reach? Yes, my dear friends, there are some villages in India where even today electricity is yet to reach, which means people on those areas have never seen an electric bulb. They cannot imagine that how a bulb lights up. What is a switch? What is an electricity? So what fan is all about? Whenever we feel sweaty or whenever we come from outside in summer season, we switch on our fan or air conditioner. But just think about those people, and I'm not joking. There are a few places today in this planet that exist even today. Coming back to us, we people, if we do not see sufficient change in our smartphones, we go panicky. Now just compare with those people and have some gratitude towards you that how much privileged you are, and yet it is our moral responsibility to understand and create access to clean energy for everyone, isn't it? We have been dependent on fossil fuels since Industrial Revolution. Fossil fuels are nothing but the fuels which are unearthed from underground and which have limited quantity, and it is estimated that up to year 2050 all of the fossil fuels across the planet will be finished. Then there will be no more energy left. Fossil fuels are nothing but the coal energy what I am referring here. And also neither is the nuclear energy. It is not helping anyway to anyone. We have no choice but to shift towards cleaner and sustainable sources of energy. So let us try to imagine a world where energy is not a luxury but a necessity for all, where individuals like Raj, a young man full of aspirations, have access to affordable and clean energy. So this is the promise that United Nations have committed as the seventh sustainable development goal, that is affordable and clean energy for all. By the year 2030, we aim to ensure access to reliable and modern energy services for all individuals across this planet. So, how can we light up this vision? You see, guys, energy is the heartbeat of modern life. It drives us towards progress, it powers economies and connects us in many ways, unimaginable ways. Yet, there are millions and millions of people who still lacks access to electricity, relying on polluting and unreliable sources that harm both their health as well as the environment. Let us meet Raj and try to understand his situation. A young man, Raj, from a community with limited access to electricity. He was very much pathetic in terms of lifestyle, where his everyday evening were marked by darkness, limiting his study hours and prospects. Then suddenly one day, a local initiative supported by some visionary individuals and organizations brought affordable and clean energy solutions to his community. Now just see how a small initiative from someone can change somebody's life. With that initiative of providing Raj access to electricity, his life transformed. Now he has more time to study. His community could access information more easily and the burden on the environment was reduced. So you see, all these cleaner source of energy, that is wind energy, hydropower energy, or say solar energy, they are in all-time demand. All these technologies are being worked upon to bring down the production cost so that this become accessible to even all the individuals, even people coming from lower economic background. So it is very important that we youth as an individuals, as energy advocates, should advocate for affordable and clean energy. Our actions should spark some change. At an individual level, what we can do, we can support few organizations which are working to provide sustainable energy and solutions to underserved areas. Promote energy conservation and renewable energy sources. Also, advocate for policies that ensures affordable and clean energy access for all. Our generation can help illuminate the path to a brighter future. Also, you try to imagine that whenever you go out of your home, try to switch off that fan or try to switch off the AC, or whenever your mobile is fully charged, try to remove that charger from the socket so that you can save some amount of energy. It might seem that at an individual level you are not doing much, probably you are saving some 0.000 or say more zeros watts of energy, but when millions like you contribute at such a same level, then it makes a huge impact. That was just an example. Summarizing what we have discussed today as Sustainable Development Goal 7, affordable and clean energy is about empowering individuals like Raj with access to reliable, clean and affordable energy. We have discussed a small case study like Raj, how his life has changed, and his story can be our story as well. So, it is a testament of the transformative power of clean energy access. By getting involved and supporting initiatives that provide sustainable energy, you can become an integral part of making this vision a reality. That's it for today. In the next article, we will delve into another sustainable development goal. Before that, I would urge you to stay tuned for more such inspiring stories. Let me know your feedback if you have anything to share about sustainable development goals in the comment section. Thank you for listening. This is your host Devottam signing out.